Okay guys, hello YouTube, this is Sunuma signing in again. I want to show you another tutorial how to use PC Monster in Yahoo Chat using client. As we all know, you cannot use PC Monster TCP slave using their local server, BC server. Okay, this is how we do it. Unuma style, quick, fast. Okay, this is my title of my tutorial. Unuma's tutorial how to use PC Monster fast and easy. Okay, first we go to Yahoo Room. Metro Manila Barkada 40. Okay, as you can see, I'm already there in Metro Manila Barkada 40. Naantok na po. I'm tired and sleepy, so forgive my voice here. Okay. So what you will do, how to use this is open the BC Monster TCP slave, open the program, the application. Okay, as you can see, it's open. Then what you must do first is click reset. There, click reset. Don't ever forget to click reset. Okay, then I will open a client which is YSupra. I'm using YSupra. Okay, of course, it's my favorite client. Okay, then open the YSupra which is there. What you will do is click Messenger, because this BC Monster will not connect to your client if you do not change your Yahoo BC server, your client server. Go to press Messenger, click Preferences. Oh, sorry about that. Click Preferences. Go to in Preferences, you go to Servers List. Oops, Servers List. Servers. What you must do and you want to do is bc.yahoo.com, delete it. It does not work that way. You type localhost. See? Type localhost. See, localhost. Oops, localhost. Yeah, you type that, okay, in your Yahoo, in your client servers, voice server. Then click apply. You click apply. Then go to Yahoo Room, select a room list. Okay, regional, Philippines. Oops, wait, no, just Metro Manila Barkada 40. Okay, you go to Yahoo chat room, type the CAPTCHA. You type the CAPTCHA there. As you can see, those four must be all connected there. Okay, now I have a BC. Okay, what you want to do is step on the BC, how to use all these things in here in front of you, how to use it. Okay, I will show you. Okay, RBE means if I will RBE means if I will step in the BC, the other ID will step in the BC will hear this one. RBL. Then, okay, let's see the other one. High pitch. See the volume, high pitch. Here, actually this high pitch can lag. It's a voice lagger, voice booter. Okay, all wine users will go out to the room if you use this one. Then multiple. See, silent. See, silent. Scrolling. See, this one my favorite one. Scroll. See, will go up and down. See the BC going up and down. Scroll. Now if you want to use a mirror is you can use mirror without setting in hands-free in your client. It will mirror the user of the PC. Watch. Then I click mirror. I will take out the hands-free in my filter. See? It will mirror. See? Mirror. 1 of 1. See, 1 of 1. It will mimic the other PC user in the room. Now let's click in key. This is one of my favorite. Actually, key is 1 of 1 but my favorite. Watch. You can change the tune of the key. It's just like a machine gun. Okay. See? Key. Anti-lag. See, max for volume. It will increase your volume, so on and so forth. Now I will let you see a trick. Okay, this one I will use send packet. Okay, click send packet. Okay, just type in any letter, then send packet. You see, then exit. As you can see here, I am stepping at the BC. See, I step in the BC, which is 1 on 1. 1 of 1. But in my other Supra, which is in here, as you can see, the ID is invisible. You can see. But I step in the BC. See, it says 0 of 1. It must be 1 of 1. Why? Because I am stepping at the BC. We will not see it that I am stepping at the BC, because I have sent a packet which is invisible packet. He cannot see me step in the BC, but the real thing is I am stepping at the BC. See, 1 of 1, 0 1. It's invisible step. I like this one. This is my favorite. Send packet. Type any numbers or letters from send full size packet, then exit. Then you're stepping it. You're invisible in the BC. See? 1 of 1. I step the other ID in the BC. 0 of 1. See? Many people using this don't know that. Okay, I'm just showing you. So, this is Uno Mas, Y Republica. Thank you, YouTube. This is simple tutorial of how to use TCP Slave Monster BC. I love you, YouTube. Signing out. Mwah, mwah, mwah.